can't believe my ult is more geared than my main. This is stupid.
2, 1.
I'm quitting this game.
I guess you just got a main survival hunter now.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Have you done this place, Terry?
Hmm?
Have you done this place?
I did the first 2 bosses before we depleted our key and left because Medivh one-shot us.
Nice. Nice. Oh, that's right. Yeah, we were in the same group.
We were in the same queue! That's the only thing I've gotten from this. It's fine, I learned fast, as you've seen from every other key we've ever done together.
Shockwave.
Yep.
Oh, speaking of which, so someone, I forgot if you remember who Anna is. She was doing a key the other day, and she's a PvPer, right? She said she got kicked from a group, or no, someone left the group because she was the healer, and they're like, you have too much PvP tendency. And we were all like, what the fuck does that even mean?
What?
They left
Jumping
the
around?
PvPer.
Was
Like,
she being toxic? Like, what was going on?
Like, I don't fucking know what that means.
She was inting too fast? Like, like interrupting too
She died
fast?
to RMP in a key somehow? I don't know, man.
Yeah.
You know, that's what I'm always concerned about, that someone's gonna like, oh, this is a
What's your
PvP,
step?
Wait,
I'm leaving.
what? Dude, they moved this guy. I don't like that.
Yeah, they moved him.
I guess because everyone was just skipping the heck out of him, huh?
I'm gonna trap the next one.
I can
Oh,
hack
you're
this.
too
Too
slow. You know, okay, I don't know PvE, leave me alone.
You just gotta see, because
What's
it
your
says
step?
where it's going, and then you just put it down.
Interesting.
You think I'm smart enough to understand that?
I got him.
Like, see, for that, we couldn't because it was in melee, underneath the bot.
Watch your step.
And see, now it's on the hunter, or on the... And he moved.
I got it.
Can you
I got
dispel me?
PvP reflexes for that.
So what?
Can you dispel me? I have 6 stacks of that.
Oh. Talking to the healer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I got him. I got him.
Alright. That took forever. I hate it.
Can you still do this trick with it?
Yeah. Are you tanking up top or down below? Down below?
Down below. Yeah. Oh,
Oh
god.
my god.
Are you okay? Oh, it's too far. Oh, I got it now.
Yeah, I got it too. If you guys stand up here, you don't have to worry about the swirlies while he's down below. Are you gonna pull trash into this guy?
I was gonna pull everything in the other room.
Oh, well, this guy gives you 100% damage increase whenever he nullifies you. Yeah.
Okay.
And he doesn't do shit, so you can pull. Make sure to pull them. Make sure to pull them back into here though, because nullified only goes in here. So if you get nullified, you'll be silenced, like that. Go gullet your soul.
Where is it?
It's the blue stuff.
Shockwave.
Now you do big damage. Yeah, the best way to pull is like so you don't get nullified like that and get like hit in the back is just have like a hunter misdirect. Oh, it's me again. Sick. Right in the middle of all this sanguine.
Yep, bubble.
I know, but then I wouldn't be able to get the nullify.
Oh, well, never mind then. Oh, yeah. See, that's noticeable with how fast the Sanguine goes away now. I swear it'd still be up.
The fast decay. What is this?
Zoom.
I think we have to move back a little bit more. I think he stops right at the line.
No, we're good here.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Oh my god, all of those drop Sanguine.
You're invited to a new way of listening with Premium. Premium lets you connect to your speakers or TV and listen to your music ad-free with super easy setup. Connect to any compatible device and enjoy.
This is the one where we stack focus ads and then pop cooldowns on his. Do you want me to list
Yes.
this one?
I would still save from a div, especially since it's fortified now.
Okay.
So don't lose.
We should definitely, yeah, I wouldn't lose.
Eradicate! Eradicate!
Countermeasures deployed.
There's the ad. Move, move, move. There's the ad. Move, move, move. There's the ad. Move, move, move. It goes into evoke soon.
Overload.
There's evoke, pump 'em.
Prepare for
Purge! Purge! Purge!
In hindsight, I should have saved wings.
countermeasures deployed.
There's the ad. Move, move, move.
Oh.
There's the ad. Move, move, move.
Deterrent activated!
There's the ad.
Deterrent activated!
Move, move, move. There's the ad.
Countermeasures deployed.
Move, move, move.
Overload
And
in
pump 'em.
progress. Prepare for
Purge! Purge! Purge!
system failure
Alright.
imminent.
And then this one's the annoying platform, right? With all the shit on the ground.
Yeah. We skipping this guy or are we killing him?
We're skipping it.
Skipping him? Cool.
Out of bots.
That's we can skip this guy when he walks
Oh, we
by.
got bots. Okay, okay.
Yeah. I guess we'll just kill the flame dude if you're out of pots. Flame dude's still annoying, but well.
So we're taking this down here, but not pulling the fire guy.
Yeah, let's just kill this guy. He bugs out if I jump down.
Shockwave.
So how do you skip this guy?
Oh, I don't think no. The only way to skip this guy is with pots, really.
Oh, is that what you usually do? Okay.
Oh my god, my pet is bugged on the.
Yeah, you have to resummon. And
I don't think. Is there any way to like stop this guy from one-shotting whenever he jumps, or no? You just have to like.
Just have to challenge.
Okay.
you can take him up top and give you more room, but you have to kill the other guy though. And it takes a moment for him to snap up.
This actually isn't too bad. Sometimes the squares are really bad, but this is pretty mild. Alright, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for.
You guys
Alright,
just kick Frost and Fire. Leave the Arcane one alone.
Okay.
Do we just
Wait,
call
what
the
was that?
kicks?
So just kick the Frostbolts and the
Yeah.
Firebolts.
Call if you're
Yep.
kicking so we can like kick late.
Yep. And then we'll hit the bird over here first, and then move in a circle.
Do
Okay.
we let's start?
Yeah, you can. Or I would save for Flame Wreath.
Alright. Sorry, I did not mean to get that.
It's okay.
I got this.
Wolf next.
I got it.
I can get
Mine.
this.
I got this one.
Okay, I'll kid.
Cherry. Cherry.
I'm the well, it's a missile now.
I got it.
Bull next. This is mine.
Alright.
Alright,
Yep,
mine.
over here, over here, over here. On skull. I'm bubbling.
I can kick this.
I got next.
Sit down.
I
won't
kick
have
first
kick.
on bots.
Okay, cool, cool, cool.
Kick first. I got this one. Do I less now?
I got this. I got this.
Oh, no, no,
I
not
listed.
yet.
I
Wait,
listed
mine?
the start.
Oh, I see.
Oh, okay, okay.
I had that one.
I got this one.
I can get this.
I got next. I got next.
I
Alright,
got
here he
this.
goes. Oh, nice. We got
Nice,
lucky.
nice, nice.
We kill him here. Keep jumping.
I can get this one. Okay, I'll get next.
I got the next one. Nope.
Wolf next.
I can get this.
Easy. No flame wreath to be had.
Whee. See, this dungeon's really cool with like the aesthetic. Like, what the fuck? This looks cool.
Yeah, this is. You haven't seen this.
I'm PvP, man. I don't know what this shit is.
This is like a 5-minute
I
call
don't leave
now.
Orvos. Just run in circles. Whatever the major city is of that expansion, I'm running circles there.
Yep.
Oh yeah, and we're like really tiny here. I remember this at least.
Yeah, it's actually pretty trippy, like, cause it's like you see a mob and you
Imagine
run
if this
like
was a
really
city,
far.
like everything is fucking 10 times bigger than you.
That would be really cool.
I'm down for that. Oh,
You can just jump off, by the way.
Yeah,
You
there's
don't
no
take
fall
fall
damage.
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
oh my god.
Oh.
What?
No, what?
Oh my god.
Wait, me too. How?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, okay, I disengaged out.
Alright, I'm back.
Oh
No, dude, the rat.
Oh my god, that's a huge ass rat. Are you?
Alright, I'm good.
Okay, he got.
We're both fat. Damn, look at these rats! Oh. Fucking Dreadlord.
I think we can skip everything else.
I was just gonna skip the other pack.
Shockwave.
Damn, look at that rat. It's thick.
So the rat does like a little stampede. Just run through the rat, like where the spaces are. That's where you want to sit.
The little army, they're so cute. Why can't I just ride this
Shockwave.
rat?
You can
You
actually.
do get a mount.
I have it already.
No,
The rat
you get a
stallion?
mount in here.
Yeah.
I remember when Legion first dropped, I was farming the rat stallion, and I got like 4,000 things in a day, and then I just stopped. I don't know why.
You should have finished it day one because they nerfed it so hard after
Yeah.
the first week.
Because that
I
was
would
when
love to get mine.
I was playing DK, and you could just like throw your outbreak, and then you would just spam epidemic, and you like whenever everybody died, you would get credit for everything.
Yep. But now they nerfed it to where you only get credit if it's like the opposite faction or something, which made it 10 times harder
Yeah.
to get. I don't know why they did that. It's honorable kills, it doesn't
Shockwave.
matter who you kill.
Yeah. For this boss, he shoots out orbs, and we gotta collect them before they reach him. It gives us a damage buff, a stacking damage buff, but also gives us a stacking dot.
So not too many, but
Yeah,
don't let 'em
and
lose
then
it.
there's gonna be purple pools that show up, and you can clear your stacks by standing in the purple pools, but that also deals damage to you, though.
Okay.
So you should be fine at 1, maybe 2 stacks. More
Yeah.
of that, just keep them for a few seconds and clean. And this is the
Oh.
pool where you clean the dot.
Okay.
Just spawned.
Ow.
And there's that, yeah.
Those things?
Yeah,
Yep,
so
those are the
cool.
orbs.
Ooh. And then when do we clear it?
Whenever.
Yeah. So like right now you only have 2 stacks, so like that's like it's manageable. And you do 20% more damage, so
Don't get too low, because he does that AoE. You'll just die if you're too low. So be careful.
I can't get it. Alright, so now I'm gonna... It's not removing it.
You
You
gotta
have to
stand
stand
inside.
a little bit. It's not instant, yeah.
Oh. I'm a turtle. Okay, let me try to... There we go.
Yoo-hoo!
and then we kill him. Easy peasy. If we pull ads in the next room, so they're like a lot of little mana worms that look like him. They'll spawn orbs too that move towards the mana worms. Collect them, and it just gives you a straight buff. No debuff attached. I don't know if we're gonna pull this stuff though.
There we are. Yeah.
Watch your pets if we jump straight down.
Go
Okay,
through
we're
the
not.
middle, or... Oh, okay.
Oh, now we're giant.
Collect the orbs.
We're like
Shockwave.
Pac-Man! All the orbs! Nom nom nom. Need a Pac-Man week or a... Oh.
It couldn't have been helped, you know. We tried to alter it, but it was all part of a larger scheme.
Shockwave.
That's annoying though. They all drop. Sanguine. It looks like you can only pick up one though. I've been trying to like grab more and it's not letting me.
Yeah.
No, it's always 10%, I think. Can
Oh,
get
maybe
more.
I put too much.
What
You
do
can
we
release.
really- Oh, sweet.
Oh my goodness.
Shockwave.
Oh, what?
Okay.
Release, he says.
Oh,
That's
my bad.
Fine.
The orbs are killing us when they get in.
Yeah, I was trying to collect a bunch, but it seems like you can only pick up so many.
Yeah.
It's like once you
Yes.
have the debuff, you can't pick up any more.
Just
Once you-
Shockwave.
kill the ones that are low and we can pop and finish the rest. Or maybe you're dead too, I don't know.
Now, blood kids are OP. Look at
I
that.
never die.
Look at his buffs. He has 100% increased damage and healing. He's not gonna die.
Broken.
Do we pop after this one dies?
Shockwave.
Oh,
I
it's
think it should be
it's
safe. I don't know.
healing.
He's still taking tons of AoE damage though. I'm just kind of
Yeah,
scared.
there's the one that just. There's another one.
There
that
should be
just
less
died.
orbs now, I think. Maybe
Yeah,
not.
I-
There's
Here, I'll-
that's a lot.
Actually, maybe I'll
Jesus.
just die. I'll just die.
Shockwave.
Okay. Are we safe?
Okay. Release.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Dave.
Oh, what the hell? Things are still exploding.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no.
I just turtled. What the fuck?
Shockwave.
We're in Music next. All the way up to the chest.
Sleep.
Just tell
What's your
me
pets?
when
So
to
dismiss your
use-
pets.
Yeah, just tell me when to use invis.
Yes, yeah, we'll come up to like the first mobs here. So it's like there's two mobs just chilling, and then like maybe like 10 yards, like 20 yards past that, there's another caster that you got to get past.
I guess I can die and you can res me. Because I don't have in this spot.
Oh, okay, okay.
So just go in front of me and I'll that run.
Let's see if I
So we
can make
walk
it.
past these and then
Yeah.
we have to walk past both of these. This
Yeah.
is where we.
Yep. Keep going.
Okay, I'm
Look
running
at that
too.
Torin go.
Camo works.
Okay.
Ooh, that guy looked right at me.
If you can make it most of the way, I might be able to res, but
Okay, I think I'm
Smell
close
the
enough.
meat.
I'm on the top pyro
Okay.
monster.
let's see. Yeah.
Yeah, you should be
I
able
got
to
you.
get me. Yep.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get hit though. Please don't die. No. Maybe. Let's see. Can I get
don't
a
have
brez? Oh wait. Oh yeah. Okay, so brez me, and then I'll bubble res him. That's what I'm gonna have to
Or
do.
you can res me, I can res from the top.
Oh yeah. I just res him. Oh, will this work? Huge. Okay.
Careful, careful.
I'll wait for this to drop. Okay. Where's she at?
Wait for them to cast, I guess, so it's not on you, and then move and res.
Can we like bait maybe with
Yeah,
like
yeah,
multiple people?
There we go.
Oh!
Alright, I got it.
Alright, so kill the knights here, and then you can DPS the boss.
Yeah, yeah.
I feel the knight is a fucking wolf. Oh.
Oh.
What? I loved this part of the raid.
I missed like the classic one. Where like you couldn't play your tune, like you had to play the actual chess pieces.
Check his boss, King.
King, yeah.
Yeah.
DPS King now.
Careful, careful. Watch out. Knight again.
My pet fucking died.
I thought you dismissed it.
No, it died.
Back on king now.
Who next?
King-
Or did we just
king-
kill?
king.
There'd be a bit. Yeah. We should be able to get him, maybe. Hopefully.
Nah, you can kill him now.
Huge.
It just doesn't become
Okay.
immune.
After 2, it's just like done.
No, it's a HP threshold.
Oh. Okay. That's cool.
It's a Khadgar.
Alright, so the big giant eyeball boss cherry, it'll has decimating laser just wherever it's facing, don't be in front of it. It'll target somebody with like a little green arrow over the head. That means there's gonna be like you're gonna be running and there's gonna be like a big laser following you that's leaving puddles, just like run it away from the group.
Second
And
gambit.
then- Yep, like in Gambit. And then the only other thing is you're gonna get a debuff. It'll turn your screen dark if you have it. If it's dispelled or if it expires, it'll send orbs like flying all the way flying out away from you, the starting point. So if you have it, make sure you're not running with it, because if you're running with it, the orbs will hit you as you run. You gotta stand
Just stay
still.
Okay.
Yeah,
There's also
but like
green
get away.
stuff on
Yeah,
the ground, but just dodge that.
yeah. And then also, whenever you can get an interrupt on the boss, go ahead and like hit it.
Okay. I can get the next one.
And also, do not get hit by the beam whatsoever. That's what he's doing now.
Yeah, disintegrate.
Yeah. If you get hit on the ships, you will get hit off.
Okay. Basically, just don't get hit by anything.
Yeah.
And then
pretty much.
Yeah.
save lust for the last phase.
I'm just spelling myself
just-
for.
Frontal? Frontal.
Here comes the orbs.
Go into the portal.
Yep.
Green thing.
Oh my god,
Excellent
I
job.
thought I got yeeted off, and I was like, "There's
Watch
no
watch
way
the
I
beam
just
here.
fucked
Watch the
that
beam
up."
here. Stay on the
Yep,
side,
he's
but don't
gonna-
get hit by the green electric things.
Yep. So yeah, he's casting disintegrate, which is his laser beam right now. So just be careful with it.
Okay, I get it.
And then so here, same mechanics. The only when the debuffs come out, there's going to be 2 of them.
Watch frontal.
Frontal.
Watch repeat. Dispelling myself here.
Oh!
Whoa.
Oh shit!
I'll pack. We're good.
All right, there's the portal. Can we get people up? Nice. All right. So don't
get
interrupt.
Yads.
Nobody.
Don't
nobody
interrupt the
interrupts.
bot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're just gonna nuke him with lust. We'll interrupt him at the last second if we get that far.
What is
Oh.
killing me?
What?
Grievous maybe.
No, there
there's
was
else that
something
exploded
ticking.
on
But
me.
All right, and then we run to the boss and nuke his ass. Lust. Nice.
I lost it. Interrupting now.
Yep.
Watch frontal.
Watch the frontal.
Spread out.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No, it's over. So they don't do damage.
How does that work?
They do damage, but we killed him, so they It was kind of like after the instance, so.
Jesus. Yeah, fuck this dungeon. This is definitely the worst one. Fuck this.
Oh no, lower
No,
is
lowers worse.
69 renown.
Do you need those hands?
I don't think I can trade them. Yeah, they're so bound. 'cause
God damn it.
my Lego is there, but they're so bound.
That is my lowest piece that I needed to replace. And that's the first hands I've seen drop.
Yeah, unfortunately not tradable. Otherwise I would.
Ah, it's all good.